nasa likod, sila yung mga timid, yung mga mahihain. Aba, yung pagdating sa laro, hindi ka masigasig. Kasi dala mo yan sa araw-araw yung pagiging timid. Si Erdi Ravena, saka yung sila kapatid, dumaan sa atin yan. We train them. And we were trained by Coach Inco. We were trained by Inco. We were trained for 1 week under Coach Inco. And Coach ng Ginebra. Okay? We were also trained by Coach of the JRU. Okay? Si Kobe Paras, hindi yan marunong dati, ang lakas na ng loob. Guys, can't you that shoot? He was 14 years old back then. He was 14 years old back then. Okay, so dito sa tryout, ibigay nyo ang best ninyo. It doesn't mean that you're not a good player. Hindi kayo makukuha. We coaches can train you to be a good player. Ha? Kasi kung sino pa yung may win, sino yung mas nakasahan mo? Guys, remember, hindi ang pag-shoot sa basket is just 10% of basketball. Remember that. Sikat na kayo. Turo sa iyo. Ano? Passing. Saan natatalo ang mga teams? Turnovers. Why? Because of wrong passes. Ang daming klase ng pasa, guys. Karaniwan, pinapasa nyo sa harap ng kalaban. You have to make angle when you pass. Dito, kulang tayo sa coach for the passing. Okay? We have the chest pass. Ano pa yung isang pass? Bounce pass. Ano pa? Ano pa? Medyo nakakano po. Attack the baseline. Diretso yan. Nagamit yung trikyas yan. Unstoppable nung 3x3. Dahil for 30 minutes, yun ang ginawa namin. Really, touching the floor. Release the hands to the floor. Down. Release. The next, kung hanggang kailan ang kaya ninyo. Okay? Walang magre-rest. Pag tumigil kayo, 1, 2, at yung pag bumaba, stop na yun. Okay? Do not do yung quick push-ups, ha? Next, yung sit-ups. Then, this is the second. You see the ball? Back. Okay. Now, where you shoot? Shooting. You are ready to shoot. That's a threat. Ano pa?
Ready to pass.
Pass. Very good. Ano pa?
Ready to dribble.
On attack. Okay. Sa dribble threat, anong pinumuna dapat? Shoot, pass, attack. Ha? Sino sabi? Dribble. Dribble muna. Naka-receive. Dribble muna. O, sino sabi? Pasa. Taas naman. One. Sino nagsasabi? Sila. Taas naman. O, tabi sa naman kita. Hindi puro tira. Unang treasure game. The pass. The man nearest and open to the basket. Yun ang unahin natin. That's why the first triple threat is the pass. So kayo, huwag kayo puro tira. Yung isa, kakampi. Tama? Open na nga yung isa. Yung pag pinasa ko sa tira. Kahit may kasayang pagsabot din yung mga kapito ng triple threat. First threat is the pass. Second threat. of triple threat, and that's the difference between athletic stance and triple threat. Okay? Then isa pang wing, then kaliwa.
Go.
Okay. Okay. And then, everybody.
Harap sa riverside, harap.
And stop. We're going to check.
So your hands on the legs. Okay, lower, lean forward, lean on the back, and blank. Straight on back, number 50, straight on back, straight on back. Number 50. Hold, hold. Survey, yun sa conditioning.
Sabay. Tuloy-tuloy.
And the one thing